CPP Assignment 1 to describe, analyse and evaluate promotion. So you've got 4 criteria. For P1 you need to describe promotional mix using 2 selected organisation. P2 you need to explain the role of promotion within the marketing mix for a selected product or organisation. M1 you need to explain how promotion is integrated with the rest of the marketing mix and for a selected organisation to achieve its marketing aims and objectives. D2 you need to evaluate an existing national marketing campaign. For occasional scenario, you're working for a marketing promotion agency called Jackson & Jackson. You've been asked to write a report examining different promotional campaigns and their effectiveness. For their information, you should help Jackson & Jackson develop an effective promotional campaign. Part 1. You need to investigate how marketing helps businesses using 2 organisations that have a national promotional campaign. You need to write a short illustrated report. So, first part's about 2 businesses. 1, I would choose Audi. 1, I would choose what we've looked at in class. So there's about 8 different options there, from Miss Millie's to Volkswagen. Basically, I want you to be able to describe how they use their promotion. So describe your 2 chosen businesses and their marketing aims and objectives. Following this, describe the promotional mix of your 2 chosen promotional campaigns. So the promotional mix, right, for a start, marketing aims and objectives, you need to think about what is the aim of the promotion, what's it trying to do, and what's it trying to achieve. Is it trying to achieve market share? Is it trying to show something unique about the brand? Is it trying to describe a specific element of the brand? Following this, describe the promotional mix of your 2 chosen campaigns. Now the promotional mix is how they choose to achieve that aim or that objective. So that might be using something like TV advertising, it might be using social media, it might be using public relations, it might be using something like direct marketing. What you need to do is basically for each of those, think if it's above or below the line and describe what above or below the line means, and basically how do they use that method to achieve their aim, why are they using that method, and those are the kind of questions. So basically, is it above or below the line, and how and why they're using each of those methods? How does that help achieve their marketing aim or objective? What is the point of them using it? If you do that for 2 organisations, you will pass P1. For Part B, you need to use 1 selected business, product or service. You will need to explain how the promotional P relates to the other elements of the marketing mix in the campaign. So this should include products. So what is the product? What does it do? What's unique about the product? How is it related to promotion? The price. It uses a particular pricing strategy which helps achieve promotion. So you might use something like competitive pricing, for example. Place, the way it's situated, does that help get them repeat business? Does that help promote where they are? Is there a point of where they're placed? If they're placed somewhere populated and visible, does that help them? Packaging, does the packaging help them sell something unique about their brand or convey a certain message? How is that related to promotion? People, do the people there, the customer service that they deliver and what they do, does that help them promote the business? The processes, so that could include FAQs online, but could also include how you buy the products physically in the store. How is that related to promotion? And the physical evidence, basically the way the store's laid out and the colours of the actual business, the colours, tones and sounds. So for example, if you went into a shop, you're getting the same consistency in terms of its layout and things like that as you would in another chain. So for example, Pizza Express, you go to one Pizza Express, it'll be the same here. In Bristol, it'll be the same in Birmingham if you went there. So to develop this further, for each example, you need to basically link how they're using price, promotion and packaging. I have left physical evidence off this book because it's getting really crowded, but make sure you include it. To develop your explanation further, you need to show how the marketing mix, especially the promotion element, has helped achieve its marketing aims and objectives. Now, if you're going to choose Audi, remember I had 3 objectives. It's in the booklet. You need to basically go through each of these and how it's related to it. Also physical evidence, make sure you stick that on it. So for example, you need to show basically, in terms of the marketing mix, you need to develop how the promotional element has helped the business to achieve its marketing aims and objectives. So their objectives were basically the Like Brands campaign was one of them. The second one was to get repeat customers, and the third one was to increase market share. What you need to do is go through each of these and say how it's developed. So you're taking basically P2 one step further. P2, what you need to do is be explicit of how each of those meets. How does it help promote the business? You need to actually answer that question directly. So how does place promote the business? How does price promote the business? How does the product promote the business? To take it further, you need to say how does it help it meet its objectives? How does the product help Audi meet its objective, either objective 1, 2 or 3? So basically, how does it help get repeat customers? How does it help show something unique about, how does it help show the Like Brands campaign? You need to answer those questions. Same with price. So basically, what pricing strategy are they using? How does that help promote the business? But also, develop it a bit further, how does it help achieve its marketing aim or objective? Same with place. You know, what is it? What's its? How does the position of something help take something, in terms of how does it help promote something? Take it a little bit further. How does the place actually help achieve this objective, maybe of getting repeat customers, for example, and so on and so on. If you repeat this, you will get the marks. Now finally we come to D2, where you need to look at national marketing campaign and evaluate it. Now to evaluate it, what I would consider you do is look at the information that I've given you in the booklets. I've given you one booklet which is a help booklet, which has got a load of research in it, and also I've given you the work booklet that we've gone through in class. You need to do a cost benefits evaluation. You've seen a cost benefits analysis before, now this is the time you need to do it. In terms of facts and figures, I've also given you a load of up-to-date research which you can use. I think the big thing is overall, with any evaluation, is to work out, is it actually worth the cost and, well, the effort of putting in it? Is it worth putting it in? So what is the actual outcome? Has it been positive? Good luck.